This screencast is to show you what to do when you've got an assignment that won't let you edit and it's only in view only mode. So I'm going to go into an assignment that I know is like that to show you. So this assignment here, the Monday thesis and claims, it has a Google Doc attached to it. So it says click here to access the assignment document. So I'm going to click on that document, but when I open this up, I don't have the ability to change anything. So right now I can only look at it. I don't have a toolbar or anything like that. And it says request edit access. I'm not going to request edit access. Instead, what I'm going to do is click on File, and then I'm going to click on Make a Copy. And this is going to save my own version of this assignment to my Google Drive. So when I click on Make a Copy, I will add my name to the beginning and I'll hit OK. And now I do have a copy of this that I can edit. So I get that toolbar up at the top and I'm able to type and highlight. And if I open up the whole thing so that you can see the top, now it no longer says viewing, it says share, it says editing. So that old one, the one that's linked is still there. That's the original version. And I have my version here that I can edit and change. So when I'm finished with this assignment, I'll come back over to Schoology and I'll click on Submit Assignment. And then I'll go through the process. So resources, apps, Google Drive, and then I will check the box next to the one that has my name, import, and import file. And so that is how you make a copy of a Google Doc so that you can edit it, complete it, and turn it into Schoology.